Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious smoothie bowl without a blender. This easy method is perfect for anyone without specialized equipment. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 cup of frozen fruit, 2 to 3 tablespoons of liquid, and your favorite toppings. You will also need a sturdy bowl, a fork, and a potato masher to achieve that perfect creamy texture. Now, let us prepare your fruit base. Take your slightly thawed frozen fruit, perhaps 1 cup of mixed berries or sliced banana, and place it into a sturdy mixing bowl. Begin by using a fork to break apart any larger, stubborn pieces. Then, grab your potato masher and start mashing the fruit vigorously. Continue mashing until you achieve a relatively smooth, thick consistency, which might take about 3 to 5 minutes. To achieve that perfect, scoopable smoothie bowl consistency, it is time to add your liquid. Start by adding just 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen liquid, such as almond milk or fruit juice, to the mashed fruit. Stir everything together thoroughly until it is well combined and smooth. You want it thick enough to hold toppings, not runny like a drink. Once it is perfect, transfer this creamy base into your favorite serving bowl. The fun part is here, decorating your masterpiece. Arrange your favorite toppings artfully over your thick smoothie base. Consider adding about 1/4 cup of crunchy granola, a sprinkle of chia seeds, or some fresh fruit slices like kiwi or banana. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup adds a touch of sweetness. Serve your beautiful, homemade smoothie bowl immediately to savor its fresh flavors and delightful texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.